I'm Sapna. I'm from Bangalore. And basically, all my life I had lived in a city like Bangalore, which is always crowded with traffic and no greenery. So, always I had a passion of living in nature, which was never possible with the busy schedule life. So, at least I thought in future, maybe after my retirement or something, I should live somewhere there's more of greenery. And this is how I came across a place called Vibes. And basically, I never knew anything about the property. It was like once, maybe a month back, that day I had gone on a trip to Sakleshpur with my brother. So he introduced me to this Vibes property, and it was really nice. The place was full of greenery. He had taken us to a plot which he's planning to invest. I think it's Vibes Manor, and it was a complete green place with lot of coffee plant. It was really surprising to be the greenery and lot of jackfruits. This was always a wish for me to have the trees around. Just inquired to my brother, like he was telling me about that he's planning to invest, and I never had any such plans. But then seeing the property, it was very tempting. Seeing the greenery basically for me. And then the thing is, we will not be able to go live in such a place or maintain such a place. So that is when he introduced me that it will be like we can even get some income out of this land. It will not be a waste asset. So that's the main theme or the main attraction I found in it. So that's when we planned for it. And we also came to know the tie-up with a multinational called Sarovar, which is a very good investment and more attractive. And I'm sure when Sarovar is taking up the project, I'm sure the profitability will be assured because it's an assured. It's a real big thing that having a tie-up with the Sarovar is not simple. So that was more attractive and more convincing to me that I'm sure like I will get a return on it and it will never go on income-less property. So that way I'm getting a property which is full of free and also returns for my lifetime. And also they said that anytime it's at our ease that we can take back the property. And in case I want to stay, that also is also available, which was all convincing to me. So that is why I am proceeding with this. And I'm sure it's Vibes and Sarovar all together. The Vibes I have also seen there also, which is also a lot of greenery around, and they're maintaining the whole thing with all amenities. And they are maintaining the facilities and the classes maintained. So I'm sure that is why Sarovar is taking up the property. I'm sure the maintenance would be fine and it will be assured return your money. So I encourage everyone who's really interested in the place like Sakleshpur. It's one of the best investment. Thank you.